Hi friends, this is Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. Now we're going to deal few problems. We have a bunch of problems. There are so many important problems. Just a few problems for sake I will do. Remaining in attack. They will go f of z is equal to z bar. Prove that it is analytic or not. So test the analyticity. Function is whether it is analytic or not. F of z bar, f of z is equal to e power x cos x plus I sin y. This may they call actually e power z also, where z is equal to x plus I y means what? E power x into e power I y. E power I y already know using Euler's function, what you write cos theta plus I sin theta. This is what e power z bar, e power x into cos x minus I sin y means what they may call actually e power z bar. This is what e power minus x into cos y. These all are in the head of the e only. Cos y minus I sin y e power minus z. F of z is equal to 1 by z. Very good problem. F of z is equal to log z. F of z is equal to z to the power of n. So test the analyticity. They will give few problems one by one. What is my aim? If they given f of z means what, always your aim is what? You separate into u plus I y. F of z you can write in terms of u and I, u plus I y, where u also function of x y, y also function of x y. If it is polar Cartesian coordinates means what? Test in Cartesian coordinates whether CR equations are satisfied or not. In polar coordinates means what? CR equations you can check in polar coordinates, getting or not. So now what I will do, one by one problem I will do. F of z is equal to z bar. We know z is equal to x plus I y. Z bar is equal to what? X minus I y. Now who is u? Here u is equal to x, v is equal to minus y. Now ux is equal to what? 0. uy is what? 1. vx is equal to what? 0. Vy is equal to what? Minus 1. So by CR equations, CR means what? Cauchy-Riemann equations. By CR equations, what I want to do, ux is equal to vy. What I told, xy uv. Give directly, wrongly, reversely means minus. Then what will get? Minus vx is equal to uy. Here now we can see ux is equal to vy. No, here ux is equal to 0, vy is equal to minus 1. Here itself fails. So ux not equal to vy. Any one thing fail means fail. So these both fellows are not equal. You can say given function is not analytic power. That's it. Now okay, I will do this problem. This is also a very good problem. F of z is equal to e power x cos x plus I sin. This they may call, what I said, they may call e power z. If they give you e power z means what? Put z is equal to x plus I y, then e power x into e power I y, where e power I y is equal to cos x plus I sin y you can write. So what you will get? These all are not add, sorry, e power x into e power x into cos x plus I sin y. This has become what? E power z. Getting or not? So if they, instead of giving this problem, they may give e power z. Don't confuse. Attack slowly. Now aim is what? My aim is I want to write who is u, who is v. Who is u here? F of z is equal to e power x cos y plus I into e power x. Anyway, who is u? U is equal to e power x cos y. V is equal to what? E power x sin y. Now ux is what? With respect to x, partially dou x means dou u by dou x. E power x differentiation is u power x cos y. Uy is what? uy means dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y will get e power x is constant, cos differentiation is minus sine, so minus e power x into sine y. Then Vx is what? V is e power x into sine y, so Vx is what? E power x differentiation e power x, so e power x, sine y is constant. Vy is what? E power x is constant, sine differentiation is cos. Now we see ux is equal to vy, happy. Then Vx is equal to minus of s, so satisfying. Now we can write ux is equal to vy, Vx is equal to minus uy, so satisfying what? CR equations. Hence given f of z is what? Given f of z is analytic function, reaching or not. So that is the way of doing. So remaining e power x problems you can try. They may give what I am telling, e power x cos x minus I sin y means what? They will give e power z bar. E power z bar means what? E power x minus I y. E power x into e power minus I y. E power minus I y means what? Cos y minus I sin y. This they may give e power minus z, minus of x plus I y, minus x minus I y. E power minus x into e power minus I y. Same story. This problem I will do. This is my problem. F of z is equal to 1 by z. What is I want to do? Acha. F of z is equal to 1 by z. Again you can write f of z is, my aim is what? I want to write always u plus iv, where u is function of xy, v also function of xy. So 1 by z means what? Z I know, x plus iy. 1 by x plus iv. In complex number, nowhere you can keep in I in denominator. Complex number means what? A plus ib. Always you can form in the right complex form is what? A plus ib is not a 1 by a plus ib. So my aim is what? I want to remove I. So I want to remove the denominator I means what you will do? Immediately what you will do? Conjugate. A plus ib means multiply and divide by a minus ib. I have no right to change the problem. If I multiply a minus means immediately divide. Correct or not? So 1 by x plus iy, what I will do? Multiply and divided by, again is what? A plus ib into a minus ib is equal to a square plus b square. Normally a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. But in complex number a plus you will get. So this fellow is what? Now what you will get? So 80% of the job is over. Now separate it. So f of z, how can I write? X by x square plus y square minus I into y by, correct or not? Now who is my u? My u is what? X by x square plus y square. V is what? Y, no, minus also there, minus y by x square plus y square. I coefficient fully you can take. So who is my u? X by x square plus y square. Who is my b? Minus y by. Now you can find ux. While doing the ux is what? Numerator also x is there, denominator also x is there. So what I will do? Then you can do u by v method. What you will do? U by v method you can do. U by v method means what you will do? Denominator square, denominator into differentiation of numerator 1 with respect to examining minus numerator into differentiation of denominator is what? 2x. So what you will get? X square plus y square minus 2x square. So this is what? Y square minus x square by this fellow is what? Ux. Now uy is what? Uy means what? I don't want to do u by v method. Why? Because there is no y in numerator, so I can treat as a 1 by x, 1 by, that is 1 by y. 1 by y means what? Minus 1 by y whole square. So this fellow become what? One stroke I will write. Minus 1 by x square plus y square whole square. Then y square differentiation is 2y. So this is what? Minus 2yx by x square y square. Over. Now come on, Vx. Vx how you will write? Same story. There is no x in numerator. So what you will do? You can treat as a 1 by x. 1 by x means what? Minus you will get. So this is what? Minus already is there. Another minus you will get by (2x). This is equal to what? 2xy by what? Whole square x square. Then Vy is what? Vy u by v method you can do. Correct or not? Any clear? Okay. Then I will do this side. Vy what I will do? Vy same story, denominator square, denominator into differentiation of numerator 2y minus numerator into this y I have taken outside minus numerator into denominator square, denominator into differentiation of numerator, sorry, denominator square, denominator into differentiation of numerator 1 minus numerator into differentiation of denominator 2. So this fellow is what? Minus of x square plus y square minus 2y square by, again this is what? Y square minus x square minus y square, and minus is there by whole square. If you take minus inside, what will you get? Y square minus x square by, that is what? Vy. Now we see what is my ux? Y square minus x square by x square plus y square whole square. What is my uy? Vy. Okay, ux is equal to vy, ux is equal to vy. Then what is my vx? Minus vx is 2x. And what is my vx is equal to uy, vx is equal to uy, minus of minus, so vx is equal to c. So satisfying CR equation. So given function is what? Analytic. That's it. So thing is what? Slowly can do, you will get the answer. Now shall above this next f is equal to log z. See how to select the coordinates, that is the that is only main thing. So doing the examinations, what if suppose z is equal to x plus I means what? Somewhat I take for me. Suppose if I take z is equal to r e power I theta means what? My job is very easy. In polar coordinates I means what? Log a b means I can write log a plus log b. So this how we will write log r e power I theta. Correct or not? So this how can we write log r plus log e power I theta. This is I theta into log e is 1. Log e base is 1, already was studied. So log r phi theta. That's it. Now who is my u? Log r. Who is my v? Theta. Now check polar coordinates. Then CR equations in polar coordinates you can write. What is CR equations? How I told r theta u v. So ur is equal to v theta, where r you can give r. Then reversely if you give u theta is equal to minus vr, then multiply with r. Correct or not? Now we can check ur is what? By r. U theta is equal to what? 0. Vr is what? 0. V theta is equal to what? 1. Check it satisfies r. R into ur is equal to v theta. R into ur is equal to r into 1 by r. So this is 1. That is equal to what? V theta. Then these two are minus r. Minus 0 is same thing. Then what will write? Hence CR equation satisfying. Given function is what? That's it. Any problem? Similarly, that z power n also how you will do? Better you can use in polar coordinates. It's very easy, otherwise you cannot get the answer. So if you write x plus I by whole power n means what? Expand binomial theorem. First of all, I don't know n, where I want to stop my n. So that's what somewhat headache. Z square means I can write x plus I by whole square, u and v I can take separately. Z plus z cube means I can do. More than that means not somewhat headache. So I go for a better option is what? In polar coordinates. So what I will do? F of z is equal to z power n. This how you will write? R e power I theta whole power n. This is what? R power n e power I n theta. Now we can write where r is equal to x square plus y square, then do. So I am leaving in your hand, try. So this is the way of doing. Somewhat we completed. So here also a lot of things are there. In function f is said to be analytic. Constant function is constant. Then very constant function is constant. Its conjugate also constant. Whole function is constant. Its modulus constant. Lot of problems are there that we do later. So f of z is to be some problem, important problems are there. F of z is if complex real part is constant means what? Whole function itself. So real is constant is giving u is equal to c. So ux is equal to what? 0. uy is equal to 0. ux is equal to 0 because real part is constant. Ux is equal to 0 means what? That is nothing but vy. Then uy means what? Vx. So vx also 0, vy also 0 means what? The total v also constant. U also constant, v also constant, means f of z is what? C plus ik. So f also constant. Then function modulus also constant. Similarly you can do. This is a somewhat important question. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly subscribe and share to all of your friends, and like and comment. Bye. Once again, thanks. Bye.